Sleepy. Oh, that. Kenzo's Team Nature. Hi, I'm Kenzo. I live at Hawaii.
Today, we are catching tadpoles at this river. Come and see.
Daddy, I found a gecko. Look, right there. Down there. I found a tadpole. There, the black stuff moving. The big black stuff.
Keep going, fine. I caught 2 tadpoles and 1 more left.
Three tadpoles. I catch 5. Let's come to the other area. I catch 6. I catch a male fishy. My dad just caught a crawfish. Oh, right there.
Grab it. Hold it. Grab me one of Daddy's fingers. Okay. Wait, hold it. Just hold it. And let go. Hold it. There you go.
Hi. This is how you hold a crawfish. In Japan, we call these sarigami. Like and subscribe.
Okay, you can put him back in now. It's like a big bug.
This is a crawfish flying in my hand. Thank you. Bye. What's breathing bubbles? It's leaving. Found it.
Oh, look, there's another one right here.
Oh yeah. Hi. My dad catch another one. Look, this is how I hold it usually.
Sorry.
So you can't pitch me.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, nice one, huh? Yeah, maybe empty out all the plants. Hold those all the time. Daddy. So you got it?
This is how he pretends to be died, and now when nobody looks at him, he walks.
Come closer to the cow.
This is how another way I can hold it.
You know, hold this in. That's probably a girl.
What?
This is probably the boy.
For sure.
Yeah, the girl has small claws, you see?
Oh yeah.
Look at this one, he has huge claws.
Oh, huge claws. Okay, bye, Jaikani.
Okay, yeah, put him in.
Every time when I let go a Zygoni, they have to breathe bubbles.
Yeah, because
Oh,
maybe let him crawl on you think?
are you sure? He
don't
might
know.
pinch hard.
Go behind.
Why is tummy so squishy?
Oh, he has soft shell. Maybe it just take off his. Okay, look at it. See her?
Whoosh! Whoosh!
Okay, let him go.
Oh, that. Oh, that.
He pinched him.
That totally pinch hard. Somebody like. See,
Just grab him softly.
only grab him softly.
Get up. Yeah, pinch him.
See, he pinch on the. I think he's stuck on this. I trained him.
Maybe you should put him back inside.
Whoosh.
Oh, he's super soft. Yeah.
Oh, big fish! Oh, he's living the best life.